Hey everybody, my name is Kelsey and I am a huge fan of braised bone broth, as you probably are as well. And I wanted to start incorporating braised bone broth into more of my recipes at home. So one of my absolute favorite is, I take some raw chicken breast, I throw it in my crock pot, I add about 3 tablespoons of the concentrate right over top of that, and then I sprinkle on the anti-inflammatory seasoning. And by sprinkle I mean I douse that chicken because I love this flavor. And then I let it sit for 8 hours while I'm at work, and I come home to the most juicy chicken ever. I'm not kidding you, it is amazing flavor. Definitely try this recipe.